Is your Roblox account manager stuck in limbo, refusing to cooperate and killing your vibe? Let's troubleshoot this headache and get you back in the game. Starting with the simplest fix, clearing your Roblox cache. Open the Roblox app, click the three dots in the top right corner, navigate to settings, scroll down and find clear cache, and click on it. This often resolves minor glitches. Still no luck? Let's try a clean reinstall. Completely uninstall Roblox from your computer. Make sure to restart your device after the process. Head over to the official Roblox website and download the latest version. Follow the installation prompts, ensuring you have the latest updates. A weak or unstable internet connection can also be the culprit. Double-check your Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection and ensure it's stable. Restart your router if necessary. If these steps don't work, it's time to call in the experts. Visit the Roblox Help Center and submit a support ticket detailing your issue. They have specialized tools and can provide more personalized assistance. Hopefully, one of these solutions gets your account manager back on track. Now get back to creating, exploring, and having fun. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Roblox tips and tricks.